Hi, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today I have something unusual for you. A house located on the outskirts of Lagos, just 1 minute away from the city center. Marina is right there, literally walking distance. We are about 1 hour, 50 minutes, 1 hour to the airport of Faro, 2 hours to Lisbon, and about 30 minutes to Sagres. Very central location, a lot to explore. So let's have a look-see. Right, when I said this is a special property, I really meant it. Built in 2008, renovated today, 2024. This massive, humongous property situated on a plot of 500 square meters, footprint of 400 square meters per floor times 3, which is huge. Offers a lot. Here on the ground floor, the owners decide to do some sort of open space. There's an atrium, recording studio, gymnasium, and a garage. So much space, it's crazy. So if you have a little businessman that lives inside you and gives you cool ideas, this exactly is for you. So when we step into the first floor of this property, or the living area as I call it, that was meticulously renovated with the utmost expensive and top quality materials, description of which you can find in a link below in our website. This floor is composed of 3 bedrooms, kitchen, living area, and a couple bathrooms, giving you a great vistas of Lagos and the river, and offering 2 sun terraces, one facing south and the other one facing north. And that terrace can be rearranged to construct the pool. So in my opinion, this is the good or the best of both worlds. You can have a residence on top and run your business on the ground floor. Plus, here the owners have another floor that is empty right now, or it's undergoing the construction, that you can convert to another 4 to 6 bedrooms. So this property can be used as a home, as a business, or as a tourism Airbnb sort of thing here, which is a lot. So we're done. As I promised you, this is quite unusual property, not that we do every time. I think it's quite special, it's unique. You need to have a bit of imagination to make it work, or you just use it as your own home in a cool location, right next to Lagos. I think there's a lot of pluses here. And on that note, I would like to thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, go to our description below and click on the link if you would like to score your personal tour to this property. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.